The respiratory system plays a crucial role in our survival, allowing us to breathe in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Consisting of the nose, mouth, trachea, bronchi, and lungs, which work together to facilitate gas exchange. When we inhale, air travels through the nose or mouth, down the trachea, and into the lungs. Oxygen is then absorbed by the blood and transported to the body's tissues and organs. At the same time, carbon dioxide is removed from the body through exhalation. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.